Hi there, Serial Trader here. So I got a request to do an update on XLE, and since my last forecast on it, or my last look at it, it certainly cooperated quite well with the outlook of trending up. But now I think we've started perhaps a larger degree corrective pattern, so that this will probably set up a nice buying opportunity if you weren't in from these significantly lower levels that we were at earlier, well, several months ago anyways. This could be an opportunity to either add or start a new position here. Now there's different ways to label this, so this is the cleanest I think I can come up with here that it works for me. That's where we got initial 1 up, 2 down. This is all of wave 3, then this is wave 4. We went up in wave 5, and now we're finally doing a larger consolidation pattern. Looks like we're potentially getting fairly mature in the initial wave A. Look for a bounce up in B. Have a C wave down if we're just going to do a simple zigzag. And if we just do an overall fib retracement of the entire move up off the October lows there, excuse me, you can see we have a fairly nice zone to look for here between the 38.2% and the 50% retracement. Previous fourth wave low comes into play in this range as well. That's a nice target for a correction after a 5-wave impulse wave up. And then, of course, if you get deeper retracements, we do have a gap to fill down here still, should it come to that, right around that 61.8% retracement, around $34. To me, that would be a real nice kind of sweet spot to load up, especially with the gap fill. I always like that. But I won't necessarily go that low. We'll see. Now, there's different ways to label this. You could also say that, oh, okay, this is, let me just get rid of that. You could say that, well, this is all of wave 3. We're working some sort of 4, and this will be the 5. Although, to me, that seems out of proportion. So you got this 1, 2, and then all of this is wave 3, including this enormous, what you would have to call is 4 of 3. It doesn't quite line up as far as being proportional to our initial 1, 2. So just for having the right look, this looks better to me. That we've done a completed 5-wave move off the bottom, and then we're starting this larger corrective move down, which currently looks like it could just be a simple zigzag ABC shaping up. If we go on the hourly chart, it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. So it looks like a nice impulse wave on the shorter term time frame. Again, for what I think is just the initial A wave of a larger correction here. So that's what I'm looking at here. Probably get a bounce soon once we complete this 5-wave move down for A. We'll get that bounce up in B. And then should get another leg down in C. And I think that'll really be kind of the golden buying opportunity on XLE here. And let's see here on the thinkorswim candlestick chart, just looking at some moving averages. So you can see we had a pretty significant event, a technical event here, where we had the golden cross, the 50-day simple moving average crossing above the 200-day, and the 200-day finally not going down and actually starting to turn back up. So that's a significant technical development, all wave patterns aside. And you can see if we do a nice I'll do that same fib retracement I did on TradingView there. You can see that 50% retracement, which would be $35.99, around $36. That comes pretty close to the area of this 200-day simple moving average, which would be a real nice kind of technical confluence there. So that's something. And again, even more so, I'd love to see the 618 and the gap fill down here closer to 34, 33.86. So yeah, I think we're in a corrective phase. Don't think we're done yet, but definitely some areas to look for once we do look mature to buy or buy more if you're already in. All right, that's my take on XLE. Serial Trader signing off.